In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your AirPods. Whether they're the regular AirPods, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, it's all done the same way. So, as you can see, here I have my AirPods plugged in. Doesn't matter if it's USB-C, Lightning, whatever it is, you need to plug the AirPods into a charger. Whether it be a computer, a wall outlet, or whatever you have, they have to be charging in order to update. So make sure you have the AirPods charging. Then they need to be within Bluetooth distance of your iPhone or connected iPhone, and it has to be connected to Wi-Fi. So as you can see here, if I go to my iPhone, I go ahead and close out of my AirPods here, it is connected to Wi-Fi. You can tell that by the bars in the upper right-hand corner. So just make sure that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Recap, make sure your iPhone's connected to Wi-Fi, make sure you've plugged in your AirPods and they are inside the case and closed. Leave them next to your iPhone for 30 minutes. Just takes 30 minutes. And then when you're done and 30 minutes is up, you can unplug the AirPods like you see me doing here. So you can unplug the AirPods like you see me doing here, and then just open the case and put one of them in your ear, and we'll go ahead and check and see if it's updated. So what you want to do now is go to Settings on your iPhone. Open up or put one of the AirPods in your ear, and under Settings now you're going to see where your AirPods are connected. You can see mine here, Dusty's AirPod Pro 3. Go ahead and tap into those there. Scroll all the way to the bottom to where you see the About section. You're going to see something right there that says version. It'll say version and then a number like 7E93, or yours may say something else. In order to check and make sure that you have the correct version number, what you're going to want to do is tap into the version number here, and then where it says firmware details available at, just tap that URL there. It'll take you to a new browser, and it will open up and show you exactly what the latest AirPod firmware version is for each particular model of AirPod. So for me, I have the AirPods Pro 2 with MagSafe USB-C. So for me, it is 7E93. If you're watching this in the future, it's probably something else. So just go to this page here, directly linked from the version page within your settings on your AirPods, and that's how you check. If you have any questions, put those down below. Hopefully this helped, and I will see you guys in the next video.